Hello.
Hello, Monkey.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too.
Wow. So how was the weather tonight? Is it raining?
No.
Oh, why are you wearing a jacket?
Oh, because it has windy.
It's windy there in Vietnam. Is it windy? Can I see your jacket, Monkey? Can you stand up, please?
Here.
Oh, you move backward.
Okay.
I want to see your jacket. Oh, I cannot see it. Go there, behind the chair. Ah, okay, that's nice, Monkey. You know what? You know what, Monkey? It looks like the color of the Philippine flag, you know?
I know.
Very good. It looks like the...
Red and white.
Yes, because our flag is color red, blue, and white.
Okay. Okay. Okay, what are you doing?
Oh, why did you remove it?
Because it's so hot.
You're sweating already? You feel hot?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so Monkey, how was your day today? What did you do today?
I mean, go to school.
And then what did you do there in school?
I'm I make
Oh, there's the little girl now. Hi, Strawberry.
it's already.
Good evening, Strawberry. Oh, now, where's Strawberry now?
It's next to me.
Ah, okay. Oh, she's busy. Oh, let her. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Good night.
Good night.
It's okay now, Monkey. She's quiet now.
Okay.
Okay, so Monkey, let's begin our lesson for tonight, okay?
Coming again.
Okay. You're going to listen. You listen also, Strawberry, okay? Okay. You say okay.
Okay.
Very silly. Let's wait. You dance. Okay, let's begin now, Monkey. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Strawberry, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Don't cry, Strawberry. Where is she now?
The dad holding to Strawberry.
Okay.
Can.
So that you can study, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, Monkey, I saw your bag. Is that the Pantado bag?
What?
May I see your bag? Is that the Pantado bag?
No, it's Pantado bag.
It's Pantado bag?
No. It's my school bag.
Oh, I thought it's because it looks like a Pantado bag. Do you have that, Monkey?
What?
Do you have a Pantado bag?
Yes.
Oh, because they look like the same, right?
Yes.
They have the same color. Okay, so let's begin now, Monkey. So, can you read the title of our lesson for tonight?
Unit a day on the island.
Okay, so what do you mean by island, Monkey? Or where can you see an island?
I don't know.
Okay, so you can see island in the middle of the ocean or the sea, okay?
Okay.
So it means that is a small land in the middle of the sea. Okay, so Monkey, have you been to an island before?
No.
How about in the beach? Have you been to the beach?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so Monkey, let's have this first activity right here. Okay, it says here.
Draw lines.
All right, listen and draw lines. Okay, so Monkey, first question. Would you like to go to this beach? That kind of beach. Do you want to go there?
Yes.
Now, what can you do at the beach?
I can play volleyball.
Okay, what else?
Find some shells.
And
swimming.
And swimming, okay. And then Monkey, now why do you like going to the beach?
Because I like the coconut. I eat them.
You like eating coconut, that's why you like going to the beach.
Yes.
Oh, very good. Now, Monkey, do you know how to swim in the sea?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Now, have you tried riding a boat?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Are you not afraid of riding a boat or sailing a boat?
I'm afraid when sailing the boat.
Why? Why are you afraid?
Because I'm sail and the
boat?
The boat was and the
what?
You know.
So you mean you're afraid of sailing a boat because maybe the boat will sink or turn down, right?
Yes.
But you still know how to swim, so don't be afraid, okay? All right, so now Monkey, these are the things that we can do in the beach. Can you read it?
Okay.
Read it, please.
Go sailing, fishing, play games, read comics, find shells, and sleep.
Okay. Very good. So go sailing, fishing, play games, read comics, find shells, and sleep. Okay. So now, Monkey, look at the picture again. And now, tell me 5 things that start with letter S.
Shelf.
Okay, 1.
Leaf.
Again.
Steel.
Again. Number 1 is shell. What else?
Sleep.
Sleep.
Go sailing.
Sailing. 2 more. Two more. What?
I don't know.
Okay, so here are some things that start with letter S, okay? So you are correct. Sleep, sailing, and what else did you say? Sleep, sailing.
Shells.
Shells, okay. So there are 2 more, okay? So example is a sea, right? There's a sea. And then the next one is the sand. Okay? Oh, you didn't notice it. All right. Here are the answers, Monkey. Sand, sea, shell, sun, shoes, and shark. Oh, there's a shark in the ocean.
Where?
Oh, here, look. There's a triangle 1. Can you see it?
Where? Where?
Here.
Where?
Wait a minute. Here is the shark.
It is fin.
Yeah. Well, the shark is still beneath the water. That's why we cannot see him. Okay. So now, Monkey, let's have the activity number 1. Okay, wait.
Hey, listen and draw lines.
Okay, very good. Listen. Okay, so can you read the words first? First word is?
On the boat.
Next.
Fishing.
Next.
Holding her foot.
Next one.
Lying on the ground with his eyes closed.
Next one.
Calling the power.
Okay, next one.
Hiding behind rock.
Okay, so now, Monkey, let us listen to the audio file, okay? You listen very carefully because later on I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, let's begin now.
Okay.
46A. A day on the island. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
The children are enjoying the island.
Yes, they are. But what's the matter with that boy?
Oh, you mean Jack. He's looking for his glasses. He dropped them near that plant.
Oh, yes. I can see them now.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Look at Sally.
Where?
There. She's the girl who's hiding behind that big rock.
Oh, yes. I can see her. She's playing with her friend.
2.
There's Peter.
Which one's he?
There. I think he's sleeping in the sun.
I think he's awake, but his eyes are closed because it's sunny.
3.
Who's that boy? The boy who's calling the parrot?
Oh, that's Sam.
Why's he doing that?
Because the parrot's not in its cage. Look, The door's open.
Oh dear.
4.
Vicky doesn't look very happy.
Which one's she?
She's the girl who's holding her foot.
Did she hurt her foot on that shell?
Yes, I think she did.
5.
And there's Alex. He's very funny.
The boy on the boat?
Yes,
I like his pirate hat.
me too.
Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Is it raining? Oh, that was my class. Okay. Let's continue.
Who that's?
That was my
Doesn't
student
look
last
very
night.
happy.
Which
Okay.
one's she?
She's the girl who's holding her foot.
Did she hurt her foot on that shell?
Yes, I think she did.
5.
And there's Alex. He's very funny.
The boy on the boat?
Yes,
I like his pirate hat.
me too.
Okay, now, Monkey, let us answer the following questions. Okay, now, Monkey, where do you think is Sam?
Sam.
Yeah.
Sam is calling the parrot.
Okay, now teacher will write a line. Okay, wait. So your answer is Sam is the one who's calling the parrot. Okay, how about Peter?
Peter.
Mm-hmm.
And now is huh?
Where
Lying
is
on the
Peter?
ground with his eye closed.
Oh, lying on the ground with his eyes closed. Okay. How about Vicky?
Vicky is what is her foot? He holding her foot.
Holding her foot. Okay, this is Vicky. Next one, how about Grace?
Grace no here.
I know Grace here. Okay, how about Sally?
No here not.
How about Alex?
No.
How
Sally
what?
is hiding behind the rock.
Ah, okay. How about Alex?
Sailing the boat.
Okay, sailing the boat. And then Jack is the example. Okay, so now let's check the answers, Monkey.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is, wait, I cannot see it.
Peter.
So the man lying on the ground is Peter. Okay, correct. Next one. So calling the parrot is Sam. Okay, correct. Next one. Vicky is holding her foot. Next one. Sally is hiding behind the rock. And Alex is sailing the boat. Wow, very good, Monkey. That's so. That is a perfect score. Good job. 5 points for Monkey. Okay, next one, Monkey. Let's have activity 2. Look and read, right? Yes or no. Okay, so you just answer me by yes or no. Example.
Yes.
Example first. The boy in the big boat has a black hat on his head. Answer is yes. Next one. One of the children is swimming in the sea. Answer is no. Okay, number 1, Monkey. Can you read it and answer,
The
please?
woman is the pink dress wearing a pair of glasses. Yes.
Okay, number 2.
Everybody on this is sitting on the sand. No.
Okay, no. Number 3.
water on the sail is bigger boat. Yes.
Yes. Number 4.
Two birds are sitting on the top tree. No.
No. Number 5.
You can see the birds inside the boy tent. No.
No. Last one.
Only one person is trying to catch a fish. Yes.
Yes. Very good. Wow. Very good, Monkey. You have no mistakes for 2 activities. Okay, now let's try this one. All right, so Monkey, it says here, listen and say. Some words in this sentence are more important than the other words. Okay, so example, the pirate in the big boat has a black hat on his head. Only read out the bold words. Pirate, big boat, black hat, and head. Okay, now, tell your friend about this pirate. When you read out the sentence, make the big words more important than the small ones. Okay, now, Monkey, can you make a sentence now? Like this one, but make your own sentence. Can you do it?
Oh, what is own?
Own means you think of your sentence by yourself. Okay, using the words pirate, big boat, black hat, and head.
Okay.
You talk about the pirate in the boat. Okay, can you make a sentence, Monkey?
Say the pirate has a big boat.
Again, the pirate
Has a big boat.
Okay, one more. How about the black hat and head? Where is it?
The pirate has a black hat on his head.
Okay, the pirate has a black hat on his head is correct. Very good, Monkey. So now, okay, you can see here a lot of pictures. Now, Monkey. Wait. Okay, now, Monkey, I want you to say which picture is different and why. Okay, start with the first line, Monkey. Which picture there is different?
A4.
A4.
Yes.
Okay, so now, Monkey, say which picture is different and why. So now, question number 1 here. Which one is different?
4.
Why? Why is it different, Monkey? Why is it different?
Because the last one, the rock on the sand.
Yes. Why is it different?
Because it's water place.
Okay. Because there's no water in the place.
Yes.
Okay, very good. That is correct. So the answer is here. You can swim in the sea, a river, and the lake, but you can swim in a rock on the sand. The sea, a river, and the lake have water in them, but the rock picture doesn't have any water on it. Okay, next one, Monkey. Which one is different and why?
B2.
B2. Okay, why?
Because it's not a transplantation, and he can this is not cannot do it.
Okay, very good. So that is correct, Monkey. The seat is different because you can travel on a bike, a boat, and a helicopter, but in the chair, you can only sit there. Good job, Monkey. Next one. Set number 3. Which one is different and why? C1. Why? Okay, very good. The plate is different because it's yellow. The towel, the bag, and the boat are red. Good job.
Huh?
Next one. Which one here is different?
Huh?
Which one here in the picture is different and why?
Um, uh, 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 uh,
Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one here is different?
I know it's E1
Why? Why is that your answer?
because she's sleeping.
And the other one?
Is looking.
Why is it different? Because she is sleeping. And how about the 3 pictures? What are they doing?
They play basketball.
Okay, let's see the reason. So, the answer is the girl who's sleeping. It's different because she's sleeping or lying down, while the other 3 girls are awake and standing. Very good. Okay, now Monkey, let's have this one. Listen, write the word, questions, and answers. Okay, wait. Okay, now Monkey. So look at the, what they call this one? Look at the blue box, okay? You can see here some scrambled letters.
Yellow glasses.
Again. Sam?
Yellow glasses.
What's your sentence? Can you say it?
Yellow glasses.
Where is spare and off and got? You make a sentence using all of these words.
Aha! Sam has got yellow glasses.
Has got a yellow glasses. Now, where is the word pair and off?
Huh?
You put also the word pair and off. Okay, can you make it one more time? Sam?
Got pair of yellow glasses.
Okay, that is correct.
Sam got a pair.
Okay, so the correct question is, has Sam got a pair of yellow glasses? Okay, so now let's try fixing the words in the red box, Monkey.
Okay.
Alex. No. You create or you make a question like the blue one.
Huh?
You make also a question like the blue one. It says here, has Sam got a pair of yellow glasses? Okay, now in the red one, Monkey also make a sentence or a question.
Reading does Alice reading about sharks on the internet.
Okay, very good. Yes, it's correct. Does Alex like reading about sharks on the internet? Wait a minute, Monkey. Wait a minute, Monkey.
Okay.
Wait a minute, Monkey.
Okay.
All right, let's continue now, Monkey. Let's go to the green box. Was his beach the Peter with at today friends?
Was Peter today Peter?
What? Was Peter today Peter? Again. Oh, you fix it. Was Peter
his was Peter and his and with and
there's no end. Okay. Oh, wait, I will put a check on your words. Okay. Was Peter, what else? Was Peter
at beach with his friends today?
Okay, very good. Was Peter at the beach with his friends today? Good job, Monkey. Last one, the yellow box.
Grace did dressing joy like parents up. Grace dressing up enjoy like a parrot?
Again.
Did Grace dressing up?
Did Grace?
Did
Grace
enjoy dressing up like a parrot?
Very good. Did Grace enjoy dressing up like a pirate? Good job, Monkey. So you got 4.
What 4?
Yeah, you got everything correct because you got this one, right? Oh, yeah. Very good. Okay, now, Monkey, let's have this part. Write your question and answer yes or no.
Okay.
Okay, so the question number 1. Okay, first word, Monkey. So the first word is has. Okay, now, Monkey, can you make a sentence using the word has? Use the word has.
He did. He
No, use the word has. Okay, example. Has Monkey eaten his dinner already? Or like that, okay?
Has Monkey eating banana? Answer is yes.
Yes, he has. Okay, how about does?
Yeah. Yes. The monkey.
No, does. Does?
He does this. He does this. Driving a car.
Again, does. Okay, that's wrong, Monkey. You should say, does Monkey know how to drive a car? Okay, that is the correct form of the sentence, okay? Does Monkey know how to drive a car? So the answer is no, he doesn't. Okay, next one, Monkey. Use the word was.
Was that man? No. The monkey was born. Was the monkey doing? No. Was the monkey at the
Was Monkey at
at home?
Okay, was Monkey at home? The answer. What will be your answer?
Was the monkey at home?
What's your answer? Was Monkey at home? Yes, he was. Okay, last one, Monkey. Use a question. Use a word did.
Did he eating squash?
Did he eat squash?
Yes.
Yes, he did. Okay, very good, Monkey. Okay, now. Now this is an activity. Okay, we're going to make this one tonight. Okay, now, Monkey, write a short letter for your friend to tell about your trip to the beach. Okay, and now, Monkey, tell me or make a letter and then tell it to your friend, okay? For example, hey, Strawberry, this is Monkey. I went to the beach, choo, 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 choo. Okay, and now, Monkey, can you make this one?
Hello, Anne. Did you go to the beach? Yes, I am.
That must be a letter, okay?
Okay.
What else? You tell her a story about your trip to the beach.
My brother says, did you go to the beach? And was so hard, but I don't like. No, I like to go to the cinema with my dad.
What else can you say about your trip to the beach?
Did you go to the beach in today? No, yesterday. My sister says, yes, I did.
Okay.
I said.
What else? You finish your letter. I said. You also tell what are the foods that you eat in the beach.
Okay. Forgot. Sorry. What did you eat? What do you eat on the beach? My friend says, I eat ice cream, oranges, and sandwiches. I says,
Oh, how about the beautiful things that you see in the beach? Oh, you tell it also. I saw some.
what do you saw? Something beautiful on the beach. I see a sea so blue and a sky so bright and shiny.
Okay, that's all. You saw a beautiful moon and it's shiny. Okay, so now you finish your letter. Hope to see you.
I hope to see you at the beach too.
Love. What else? Love. You will say, of course you will say at the end, love, monkey. Okay? All right, so that is a very nice letter for your friend Anna. Is that Anna?
So my friend in Myanmar.
Ah, your friend in Myanmar.
Yes.
What's her name?
I don't know how to make a stamp. Myanmar.
Now, what's the name of your friend in Myanmar?
I don't know.
Ah, you forgot?
Okay.
Okay. All right, so now, Monkey, that is the end of our lesson and activity for tonight. Okay, so see you again on Monday, Monkey.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Monkey. See you soon.
Goodbye.